JollyCrafts. Today, I am going to be showing you how to make this slime. But what's so special about it exactly? Well, it's simple. You do not need glue or borax. And this slime only needs 2 ingredients. You will need air-dried clay, lotion, and decorations. The decorations are optional. Let's get started. First, find a container and put the clay inside it. Then, take the lotion and squirt a bit on it. Pick it up and mix it together. Don't add too much, otherwise the mixture will become too soft and it will not be fun. Trust me, I've tried it before. Add more until the consistency is just right. Now it's time to add the decorations. In this case, I am using glitter. Take it out and pour a decent amount onto the mixture. Then mix it together. Remember to tidy up later, as this will be very, very messy.